Okay, this will be the review of Star Hotel Semarang. Yeah, there we go. We are on the 19th floor here. Okay, let's check the room. There we go. I guess it is a large room. Okay, straight after we open the door, we are going to have this one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Small. Okay. And then this is a double bed kind of room. We can see here. And then the most important one in this hotel room here, it is the view. Yeah, it is the view from the window. There we go. And we can see the icon of Semarang from here. And then, as I mentioned it on the previous video, the Star Hotel also consists of the apartment on it. Yeah, this is the bed of this hotel room, and I guess it is a very recommended hotel if you guys visit Semarang. And okay, there we go. Okay, this is a beautiful view, I guess, from this top. And about the cleanliness, this hotel is pretty clean, I guess. And then with the complete amenities on it, yeah, we can see here. Yep. Okay. And then with this shower tank, it is pretty impressive, I guess. One more time for hotel. There we go. We have a long stand mirror with us here. Okay, my conclusion, this Star Hotel Semarang, it is really recommended for you if you want to chill, if you want to visit Semarang, especially on your vacation or maybe on your business trip. And then it is near with every tourist attraction place here, only 30 minutes from the airport. Yeah, and then only 2 kilometers, I guess, from the central of Semarang. Yeah. Okay, I hope I can visit this hotel soon with all of my family. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and then this will be maybe the last video that I take in Semarang. Thank you very much, and then the last is Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. There we go.